Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back at Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad, with a beautiful day and importantly the beautiful cricket color kit, and that is third T20 from Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad. This cricket stadium has got plenty of records, and today another beauty has been added to the history book. And Pakistan, they are going to chase 171 in their 20 allotted overs. So will be a good battle. Discussion. Result, the coach is giving some advices as well as prayer time to get the things going on. On the other part, Sri Lankan bowlers, they will be thinking how they can break through the partnerships earlier on. In umpires, they have done a wonderful job. Welcome in commentary box, Kashif.
Yes, thank you so much. That's really something that Pakistanis need to learn. Prayer has great strength and it has a great power which can change the fortunes. And it is really good to see that Pakistani players believing in Allah, and that as a Muslim it's our faith that we should pray to Allah for everything, and it's a good thing. But talking about 171 runs target that Pakistani openers are coming to bat, Matiullah and another guy, Fasiullah, both are the openers. Recent times, Pakistan's batting has been dominant over Sri Lankan bowling attack, and this will be another huge opportunity for Sri Lankans if they can break the partnership, especially the opening partnership, because ever since Pakistan has faced Sri Lanka in this series, it's been Pakistani batting dominant over Sri Lanka. So this is a chance to win the match, to get the wickets as soon as early.
Targeting 171, and will not depend on these two guys, openers, as Mati, he's in a good nick. He can really hammer the ball to the perfection. And along with him, his teammate will surely be giving him a good hand, good company, so that they must be taking them, the Sri Lankan bowlers, really from the start, put the pressure, and will look further towards the victory stand, because 171 is not a big deal. They are going along with short third man, point, then a sweeper is there. Batsman is taking the guard. It will surely be a good one if you can stay there, play some more aggressive cricket, look towards boundaries. Here we go. Straight up, appeal is there, but umpire has a different way, different mood. Not out is the call, and the run is there.
So Pakistani batsmen looking in a very destructive manner, and this is a good approach, positive approach. And a very strong appeal from the Sri Lankan fast bowler, but this is again. So Pakistani players getting singles right from the start. Pakistan really need to build up a good partnership at the top of the order to set up lay a good foundation, and then give the maximum strength to the middle order batsmen to finish the game off.
See, he's a left-hander, so the field will be equipped as per plan for the captain, and the bowler, he's also setting mid-wicket towards deep mid-wicket now. So he must be a good onside player.
Oh, that's a good anticipation. He saw that ball was coming and he laid down, stretching his body to the ground, and then the ball came to him and really touched his body, and he's, fielded well. So it's a good anticipation from the players. Really good thing to watch, that they can't see the ball coming, but they can anticipate it. They can guess. Oh, that's a powerful shot, but straight to the man. Pakistani openers looking in a very attacking mindset, which is a good thing to watch.
Yes, excellent fielding, and fielder sport will surely take the game to their favor. Look at that. That's really a beauty. on the previous ball. Swap towards onside. Look for one. Good aggressive start is really required by these two openers.
Sri Lankans really will be itching to get a victory here and to finish their T20 series on a high note. And this will be the good thing for them to start the next ODI series against Pakistan. Oh, that's a brilliant shot. It will be difficult. Oh, he's still pulled the ball inside the ground. Really good fielding, but signal is the boundary signal from the umpire. So 10 out of 10 to the Sri Lankan fielder, but yes, it is Pakistan who is getting boundary out of that brilliant try. Ijaz, that was something professionalism.
Yes, saving certain runs because they have not plenty of options under their belt. Target is 171, so 10 runs coming from the first over.
And after the first 5 overs, the president of the Faisalabad club, Blind Cricket, will be with us, Mohammad Dawood Saab. Second over to start. Pakistan has done well in the first over. A boundary got and a couple of singles were taken. So good start, positive start from Pakistan.
And they must capitalize because whenever there is a good start, maybe a batsman is just a bit relaxed and given away his wicket down the track. And that is the beauty in blind cricket, that a batsman is coming down the track trying to wave his arms towards extra cover.
Yes, that's a brave step taken by the young guy. He's looking aggressive, coming down the wicket, anticipating it well. Once again, he comes. This time it's only a single for him. But at the end, it's a good Pakistan taking singles. And they should look for the boundaries, which is also very encouraging.
Sri Lankan bowlers will be thinking on the other part how they can break through, because these top order batting line from Pakistan, they have really destroyed the bowling of Sri Lankan side in the previous 2 games in T20. And today, if Pakistan can manage to achieve the target, there will be another victory for them with a margin of some good wickets. Well, he's sweeping that towards onside. Just a single.
So Pakistan is really making history once again. This T20 series is going all the way for Pakistan. First 2 T20s, Pakistan defeated Sri Lanka comprehensively. And now this is a real opportunity to make it 3-0. It really is a confidence booster when you win all the games at international level. Your younger players who are in your team, who are not playing, still they look for confidence and they are given opportunities as more games are come.
Yes, every game adding some more confidence, experience in a player, and that will surely help him at international level, because coach, captain, they have given a good hand to them, a good sport.
Oh yes, very well judged by the batsman. He saw that it was a wide ball going down the leg side, and that's why he did well to make it a wide. And in this type of game, especially in blind cricket, you must be having a good hearing. Your listening ability must be as good as you can. Oh, this was a very waste attempt, because it can't be given any sort of wide, because he tried to play it a reverse sweep. So there is no wide. So this over has been very impressive, taking only just a singles. But Pakistan is still making sure that they won't lose any wickets.
It's really a wonderful day for cricket, where the weather is really sporting, because in a couple of days back We heard that Faisalabad temperature is really heating up, pumping up, but today it's a good one.
Yeah, and this is very good thing for the crowd as well. The crowd likes in a cool weather to come. When the cold wind blows, this is something another experience for the crowd to enjoy the weather as well as the match. Yes, this is really a wide ball. So you're really trying to bowl a quicker one. Whenever any bowler tries to bowl a quicker delivery, he bowls extra wides. Sometimes you need to control the ball well. But Pakistani players really looking to exploit any bad delivery.
So he has timed it well. Chase is there. And well fielded. That is exactly the commitment when fielders, they are stopping runs for the team. They are battling it, giving a good hand to the bowler. And that will surely increase the confidence level in bowlers as well as the teammates. The body language is all time very important. And we can clearly see the Sri Lankans solid hit. Straight to the man. It's hard for them to find the gaps.
Yes, it's hard, and Sri Lankan's team have really made it difficult for the Pakistani players. And it's a good thing that it is a mandatory power play. It's a batting, you can sense. Two fielders are outside the 20-yard circle. 9 fielders are inside the 20-yard circle. And 2 fielders are just outside. So normally batsmen look to exploit this gap. Oh, got very lucky this time. It was a chance for him to be bowled, but luck was him. Yes, sometimes you need to have luck. When you are lucky enough, then you can survive from such kind of different balls.
Yes, that's a narrow escape for the batsman. Ball has just passed through from the third stump. I think so, it's just inch away.
Yes, just inch away, inch away.
Sacking over 13 runs without any wicket. Sri Lankan bowlers, they will surely be hoping to get a breakthrough. But so far, Pakistani players, both guys, they are not allowing them any sort of width to attack on them. And Pakistani players, they are keeping a good hand towards scoring runs.
Sri Lankan blind cricket team is looking for wickets. Pakistani blind cricket team looks to add more runs. At the top of the order, that's a powerful shot. Can't stop it, man. You are inside the 20-yard circle. And it's such a powerful shot to stop. Too hard for any player.
Yeah, really a wonderful shot. In a replay, that will surely give us a bit matter way. Look at that. That is towards fine leg. And tremendous hit. That has went like a rocket.
Matiullah is the batsman who is smashing the ball from all the opportunities that he's been given. 17 for none Pakistan inside the 3 overs, 2.5 balls. Last ball to go of the 3rd over. It's a positive start by Pakistan. They need to keep it further. Once again, saw the gap, hit in the gap, and this is another boundary. This is what you can have from the young man Matiullah. Back-to-back boundaries for Pakistan, 21 without any wickets lost.
Really a good hit. See that, how hard he has hit that. Ball went towards boundary in no time. Superbly hit.
Yes, and stretching his body towards reaching the ball. That was a good thing about him. Commitment shown there that he will go in any case. At which the ball come, he will be. I think that's a good, brave shot, to be call it. And use the gap. That's a good thing. That they are not looking to play the bad shots. Working the ball inside the gaps. So there goes the 4th over of the Pakistan's innings. Pakistan chasing 171 runs target. Oh, once again it's a powerful shot, but still there is a protection at the deep square leg. Only a single to the Pakistan's tally, which reaches to 22. Pakistan's bowling was once again very impressive today, restricting Sri Lankan's strengthening batting attack to just 170, and now they're looking to chase it down and make it 3-0.
A very rare dot deliveries we've seen here, but it's not a dot ball, it's a wide delivery. So another run. As the P1 category player is delivering in the centre. 23 without any wicket in fourth over. Really a good start. Well, just sweeping away towards onside. Now taking a quick run.
There's appeal for a run out, but the umpire has said no. Sometimes you seem to be having some sort of doubt in your mind as a fielder. Still Pakistan having good start. Oh, once again, straight to the man, but misfielded it. Will go for second. No, it's only just one run. But at the end, one run is still very important. Single in every ball. Still Pakistan is getting boundaries as well. So it's been all in all good start.
3.3 overs, 25 without any wicket. If you compare it with Sri Lankan score, they were in trouble at that time, right from the start, 15 for 3. So Pakistan, they have got a positive one. Courtesy to these guys, these batters, they have done a wonderful job, given a good opening stand. They have done all the hard work, and now it's a time to capitalize what they have earned so far in 3.4 overs. Don't lose patience, just keep on. Reverse, reverse, and what a hit he has fired. That's gone for 4. Tremendous blow, and this is where you call the Pakistani batting line the beauty.
Yes, that was a beauty, no doubt about it. A reverse sweep for Matiullah. He's been really powerful, smashing the ball all round the ground. Look at this, how his legs are stretched now, and then he kneeled down to his back leg and works the ball inside the gaps. Once again tries, and same results for Matiullah. This is the really power from him. Pakistan really on song.
Yes, these two boundaries has shown the confidence in these guys. This batsman is really looking dangerous, and what a time for them. Beauty, really beautiful shot. He has improvised on that ball, trying to get some more runs, and this will surely give lots of confidence.
It's such a, once again, a beautiful day in Iqbal Stadium, Faisalabad. And this game is being live telecast on PTV Sports. Once again, a brave decision taken by PTV Sports to give the blind cricketers an opportunity to be watched, all the world watching them. It's a good opportunity for any players. It pushes you towards the great success. When you learn, you will have all the world watching your talent, your skills. It is something that motivates you, encourages you to show more than your talent, more than your caliber. That's a good positive sign. After 4 overs, Pakistan on a really good track, 33 for none. For all those who have joined us now, 171 is the target that Pakistan are looking to chase.
Again, same kind of act that has passed to the fielder, running down the hill for 4. Another beauty. Fielder has done all of his hard work, stretched forward, dived there, but what a superb timing and placement from Fasi.
Yes, the good thing about that shot was he really waited for that ball. He waited the ball to come onto his bat, and in the late moment, he just pushed it away from the fielder. It's a really difficult shot to play. It needs you a good technique to have. But these Pakistani two openers have shown the good technique and they are using it very well.
Yes, lots of confidence now in Fussy. He will surely improvise some more shots now because the bowler is under pressure. Again he has sapped it fine. This will run away another boundary. What a beautiful shot he is having. And this man, Fussy, is looking more dangerous now.
This is intelligent cricket from Pakistan, from Fasiullah and Matiullah. You can see both the batsmen are trying to exploit the gaps where there's fielders not, and see how difficult it was to turn the ball inside a very nanoseconds. But he was very much on that. Credit full marks to Fasiullah, getting back-to-back boundaries in this over. In the previous over we saw another batsman, Matiullah, getting back-to-back boundaries. So boundaries are coming like a rain for Pakistan. Oh, it's another boundary. He's worked it inside the gaps. 3 boundaries, 3 consecutive boundaries for Fasiullah. See, the crowd is loving it. The team members, the dugout, everybody is so ecstatic. So is Fasiullah, a young guy with glasses on. And he is from the B3 category.
Look at that, that's a time and gap shot all the way towards long leg boundary for 4. Again he's gone towards onside. Now the fielder is spotted there. And they've added another run. So runs are coming. It's a flow. And you can clearly see 46 in 4.4. And these are the security women doing a wonderful job here for this whole event. Smiling faces.
So Matiullah is looking in the gaps. Probably he's looking for the leg side. He will want to go for the leg side. Same is there. But well fielded there, the man in the deep. Pakistani blind cricketers are really playing attacking cricket. Every time you see them, they are on their right plan. This is a plan to push the Sri Lankan players in the corner. Don't allow them to dominate you. It's a very good attempt. Oh, ball them! This is also no ball signal from the umpire. Yes, it's a no ball signal. Umpire signal comes to the no ball, so that will be a free hit. Let's see what Fasiullah can do on his free hit. Can he go for 6? Can he go for 4? Or is it something else? Tries reverse, but goes lucky. Doesn't connection with the bat, but still it's luck with Pakistan. And a boundary once again to Fasiullah. Boundary on a free hit. Pakistani openers have destroyed the Sri Lankan opening fast bowlers. Every bowler Ruhan, the Sri Lankan skipper, has used has been beautifully exploited, has been beautifully punished. 52 for none, Pakistan after 5 overs.
Batsman, bowler B3, right on, over the wicket, over to you.
छठे ओवर का आगाज हुआ चाहता है और हमारे साथ हैं फैसलाबाद ब्लाइंड क्रिकेट क्लब के प्रेसिडेंट मोहम्मद दाऊद साहब. वेलकम टू द कमेंट्री बॉक्स दाऊद साहब.
बहुत शुक्रिया काशिफ, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया काशिफ, आपने यहाँ पर बुलाया मुझे. और पाकिस्तान टीम बहुत शानदार परफॉर्म कर रही है और सही मानों में वो हावी नहीं होने दे रहे किसी भी सूरत में अपने ऊपर श्रीलंकन टीम को.
जी बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. अगर हम बात कर लें पिछले 2 T20 मैचों की, तो उसमें भी पाकिस्तानी बैटिंग ने पाकिस्तान को हमेशा से ही जितना भी टारगेट श्रीलंका ने पोस्ट किया इन्होंने चेज़ करके दिखाया है। तो एक अच्छा साइन है कि चेज़ करने में पाकिस्तानी ब्लाइंड क्रिकेटर्स नर्वी नहीं होते, इनमें कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा है। ताकि इस ईजिली 239 रन का टारगेट था जो कि मुश्किल था, लेकिन पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैनों ने 6 विकेटों से वो मैच जीता। और एक अच्छी शॉट और हम देखने को मिली है और लगता यह है कि बॉल बाउंड्री तक चली जाएगी, लेकिन प्रोटेक्शन
है जी, बिल्कुल है और इसमें कोई शक नहीं है। और जैसा कि आपने बात की कि 2 T20s जो कल और परसों जो खेले गए उनमें बहुत शानदार, देखिए पहला मैच थोड़ा सा लो स्कोरिंग ज़रूर था लेकिन कल का जो मैच बहुत शानदार मैच खेला पाकिस्तान ने सही मानों में। मतलब आप जो प्लानिंग है, जो पाकिस्तान टीम की मैनेजमेंट की जो प्लानिंग है उसको सही मानों में पूरा कर रहे हैं। जिनको भी वो भेजते हैं, जो भी ओपनर वो भेजते हैं, आज उन्होंने फसी और मतीउल्लाह को भेजा,
जी।
कल बदर मुनीर थे और साथ और भी दोस्त, तो मुख्तलिफ लोगों को वो ट्राई कर रहे हैं
जी बिल्कुल,
क्योंकि अब T20 वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया में होने वाला है।
जी बिल्कुल,
उसके लिए भी काफ़ी कुछ हमें जो है नई
तैयारी करनी है। और जिस तरह आपने कहा कि पाकिस्तान 2 मैचेस ऑलरेडी जीत चुका है, पाकिस्तान के पास चांस है कि वो उन प्लेयर्स को मौका दे जिन्होंने इस सीरीज़ में बैटिंग नहीं कर सके। इसलिए आपने कहा कि फसीउल्लाह को ऊपर भेजना और ताकि उसने इस मैच में बैटिंग नहीं की तो उसको एक ग्रूमिंग देना कि वो भी कॉन्फिडेंस हासिल करे। तो ये बड़ा ब्रेव स्टेप है जो कि लिया गया है।
देखिए हमारी क्रिकेट के अंदर सबसे बड़ी बात आप देखें कि ये जैसा